Come on with the come on, get down with the get down. Come on with the come on, get down with the get down. Come on with the come on, get down with the get down. Come on with the come on, get down with the get down.
Come on and get down with that artifact sound. When kids get fucking, the beats bound to pound. We're strolling through the industry, BC, we gotta be the next shit that kicks, cause brothers ain't got it. In this rap shit, ain't no time for the dilly-dally pally. Throw a match in the gasoline alley. Blew up mad spots, kids was jealous for the props. See the shit never stops, hops just looking for my deals. Not styles we make, never fake. Broke breaks in every crate. Old freestyles and dirty ass copied over tapes. Notify that the artifacts never slack while cruisers on stage whack. We just played the back. Now the flip, tip, a ripper, split you with dementia. All crews so never pay dues. Watch it for I get ya. Cause nowadays it's the ways of the underground, but they're whack now. So come on with the get down.
Come on with the come on, get down with the get down. Come on with the come on, get down with the get down. Come on with the come on, get down with the get down. Come on with the come on, get down with the get down.
You know the stats, if not, then ask some niggas who heard of me. The half on the artifacts in Jersey. Cause brothers be bugging, not giving love to the knuckers, saying fuck us. Cause we be shining brighter than the suckers. Shooting me prison, nobody listens to you dissing. Cause yo, my shit's legit, and as a lyricist, I'm hitting the high note. So why don't I smile when I take pictures? Cause now that I rock, I got more niggas on my jock than bitches. I just wanna do my jams with fams and slam it to some hypeness. But biters and backstabbing rappers don't even like us. But props do. Keep the source rap pages and the billboard and read about the tours while you be flapping your jaws. I freak techniques, cause talk is cheaper than beepers from Broad Street. Punks pop junk, tame and the sensei leave them all beat. Some people I teach my technique freaks and how my shit sounds. Come on with the come on, get down with the...
Ale to nebylo náhoda. To pravda. Víš, jak to bolí. Vypni to.